on, guys? We are back. We're moved. It's still a bit of a disaster, but we're here. Because of the move and because of everything going on, I have not filmed anything. We had a little bit of a computer technical issue with the last video on our Mustang. Let me just turn this down before Tyson gets mad at me for copyright. So because of the move and because of everything going on, I haven't worked on the race car since the last video that you guys haven't seen, but thankfully we still have one more side to fix, where we fixed the passenger side of the frame rails that went up, that we showed in the last mini stock build video. Those are gone. I have to do the other side, and I still have a ton of stuff to do, but the season starts this weekend. That's no good because we're not ready, and even in the slightest. So my good buddy Daniel McKay, the 13M, he ran this mini stock for, I don't know, 3-4 years, moved up in the Sportsman. He drives a big boy car now, and he said, hey man, I know your car's not gonna be ready. If you want, use mine, which is awesome. It gives me a chance to still collect some points. Merrittville is doing a perfect attendance thing this year, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but hopefully in our favor. So basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be driving his car. I'm not gonna change the paint scheme or anything like that. We're going with everything that's on here just to make it quick and easy so that we can get out, run some laps. That being said, she still needs some love too. So from what I understand, Danny said he thinks he dropped a lifter. So we gotta pull this motor out and put my motor and transmission in. So it works out kind of nice because that's the only thing that I do have that's really good right now. Because we're at the new shop, we got the hoist set up. Set it up tonight, leveled her off, and we're gonna get this thing on the hoist. Potentially tomorrow, I'm gonna put this motor and transmission in. We'll see how it goes. I also do have some work to do too, so it might get put off till next week when the season starts. So whatever. And then basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a series on our season with this, and I'm going to keep working on the car now also. So that's the plan, that's the theory, that's what we're going to do, so that's what we're going to do. So I don't know what I'm doing with this video, if this is just a video itself. I'll let Tyson make that decision. He's the boss, I'm just the camera guy. So maybe this will just be a quick little shorty short. And it's just me rambling to the camera, and I don't know. Now I gotta get back in the groove of this stuff. So yeah, that's it. That's what's up. If this is the end of the video, then see you guys next time. We'll see you guys when we put this motor and transmission in this car. Get it fired up. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this this fox body here. Let me know how the pink looks. I don't know. Does it match? I don't know. I don't know. But hey, we got a car. So, see you guys next time.